June 10th, and I'm headed to Texas with my girls. Well, they're not with me, but I'm gonna see my girls. Let's get on this plane.
Yeah, that was yours. That was yours.
This is Taylor. Raising her body. I'm not gonna do my girl like that, okay?
Papa was a Rolling Stone, but now I got Rolling Stone.
We're listening to Migos. My fave cream is on. Migos just dropped, and I have to listen. Okay, Ray is doing explicit. This is Kid Rated channel. PG.
Oh, PG YouTube.
There we go. It's the smile. We went to this place called, where did we go, Taylor?
Prospect Park.
It was lit.
Think about it.
It was a good time. But now we're need naps. Like, we all been traveling all day, so.
We're tired. And we're nurses.
Guys, okay, we just came from the pool. I'm just have to insert some pictures because I forgot the camera. I have my bathing suit on, but I'm not naked. I just want to let y'all know. So we're waiting to take a shower and we're going to brunch. I'm on FaceTime with Val. Val, love me to this. Girl, I don't even think they be watching my vlogs anymore. Taylor's back here. She's gonna put some tunes on. Taylor, please. Yeah, we're already having a blast. So yeah. Ooh. This is her song. She had to listen to the whole song just because Drake is on here.
Baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. It ain't fair that all the pretty girls. Chocolate factory, all of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls